Do more in 21 days than most do in 21 months. Wanted. I'm looking for 30 people who want hands-on help starting or growing their businesses using my proven system to get more done in 21 days than most do in 21 months. Recently, I put together a 21-day productivity challenge where I walk you through what I do for my high-end clients, meaning $50,000 US plus. It works for online and offline businesses. You can work from home or an office. Your business can be product-based or services. The whole focus of this program is to help you get more results quicker by reducing your time to get things done. You can use this strategy to optimize your marketing systems, sales systems, operation systems, automation tools. Plus, in the program, you'll also get coaching on overcoming the major biz and life pitfalls which crush most businesses. You must have 2 to 4 hours per week to commit to doing the exercises and being able to stick with the program for at least 21 days. You can do this program from anywhere in the world. Your success cannot be guaranteed, however, I promise to do everything I can to help you. If you're interested, go to bestbusinesscoach.ca/21 days. That's bestbusinesscoach.ca/21 DAYS. Register for the free training, which explains everything and even empowers you to do it on your own if you don't want to be part of my study group. Once you register at bestbusinesscoach.ca/21 days, you will be contacted with more information. If you decide to join our group, it is not free. However, since it is a research study, your investment will be much less than it will be for others who don't act now. The program will begin Monday, March 2nd, which is next week. So registration closes on February 28th. We already have people in the program, and we will start regardless of if we get all 30 people or not, but your opportunity to join will be gone unless you act now. I truly believe you will kick yourself if you miss this. So please, if you're interested, get started, sign up for the free training video now at bestbusinesscoach.ca/21 days, which is the number 2, the number 1, DAYS. See you on the inside.